Closing a limited liability company, or LLC, is not as simple as locking the doors and walking away. Proper dissolution is crucial to avoid ongoing liabilities, penalties, and legal issues. This video will guide you through the essential steps to close your LLC correctly. The first step in dissolving your LLC is to hold a formal vote among members, or the board of directors, as specified in your operating agreement. This vote should be documented in writing, with all members who voted for dissolution signing and dating the resolution. Once the decision is made, you'll need to file dissolution documents with your state's Secretary of State office. This typically involves submitting articles of dissolution or a certificate of dissolution. Be aware that some states require tax clearance before accepting these documents. Next, you must settle all outstanding debts and obligations. This includes paying creditors, canceling licenses and permits, and fulfilling any contractual obligations. Notify all known creditors of your intent to dissolve the LLC and provide them with a deadline for submitting claims. Tax considerations are crucial when closing an LLC. File your final federal tax return and mark it as the final return. You may need to file IRS Form 966 within 30 days of the dissolution resolution. Don't forget to address state and local tax obligations, including sales tax and employment taxes if applicable. After settling debts and taxes, any remaining assets can be distributed to LLC members according to their ownership percentages. Keep detailed records of these distributions for tax purposes. Be sure to cancel your LLC's employer identification number with the IRS and withdraw any fictitious business names or DBAs you've registered. Common mistakes to avoid when closing an LLC include failing to consult your operating agreement, neglecting to file proper dissolution documents, ignoring outstanding taxes and fees, and failing to notify creditors and clients. After dissolution, you'll need to close all business accounts and contracts. This includes bank accounts, lease agreements, utility services, and insurance policies. Remember, if you don't properly dissolve your LLC, you could face personal liability for unpaid taxes, debts, and potential lawsuits. In some states, you may continue to incur annual fees, even if your business is no longer operating. Closing an LLC can be a complex process with significant legal and financial implications. While this video provides an overview, it's highly recommended to consult with an attorney or tax professional to ensure you're meeting all obligations and protecting yourself from future liabilities. By following these steps and seeking professional guidance when needed, you can close your LLC properly and move forward with confidence.